Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Are you tired of battling the crowds at the gym or shying away from expensive membership fees? Well, you're in luck because today, we're going to explore how to create your very own home gym without breaking the bank. That's right. With a bit of creativity and resourcefulness, you can enjoy all the benefits of a full-body workout right from the comfort of your own home. So, grab a cozy spot and let's dive into the world of budget-friendly home gyms. Step 1. Assess your space. Before you start shopping for equipment, take a moment to assess your space. Whether you have a spare room, a corner of your living room, or even just a small area in your bedroom, there's always a way to make it work. Clear out any clutter, measure your available space, and visualize how you want your home gym to look and feel. Step 2. Set your budget. It's time to set your budget. Creating a home gym doesn't have to break the bank. In fact, you'd be surprised at how affordable it can be. Decide how much you're willing to spend and prioritize your purchases accordingly. Remember, you don't need fancy equipment to get a great workout. Sometimes simple is better. Step 3. Choose your equipment wisely. Now comes the fun part, choosing your equipment. When it comes to building a budget-friendly home gym, versatility is key. Look for equipment that can be used for multiple exercises and target different muscle groups. Some budget-friendly options include resistance bands. These versatile bands are perfect for strength training, stretching, and mobility exercises. Plus, they're lightweight, portable, and incredibly affordable. Dumbbells. Invest in a set of adjustable dumbbells or opt for individual dumbbells in varying weights. They're perfect for building strength and can be used for a wide range of exercises. Stability ball. A stability ball is a fantastic tool for core training, balance exercises, and even stretching. Plus, it's relatively inexpensive and doesn't take up much space. Jump rope. Get your heart pumping with a jump rope. It's an excellent cardiovascular workout and can be done virtually anywhere. Yoga mat. Whether you're practicing yoga, Pilates, or bodyweight exercises, a quality yoga mat provides comfort and support during your workouts. Step 4. Get creative with DIY solutions. DIY stands for do it yourself. It refers to the practice of creating, repairing, or modifying something without the direct assistance of professionals or experts. DIY projects often involve using readily available materials, tools, and resources to accomplish a particular task or achieve a desired outcome. Don't underestimate the power of DIY solutions when it comes to building your home gym on a budget. From homemade kettlebells and medicine balls to DIY pull-up bars and plyo boxes, there are plenty of creative ways to save money and get a killer workout at the same time. Check out online tutorials and get crafty. You'll be amazed at what you can come up with. Step 5. Focus on bodyweight exercises. Last but not least, don't forget about the power of bodyweight exercises. Push-ups, squats, lunges, planks, the list goes on. Bodyweight exercises require no equipment at all and can be done anywhere, anytime. Plus, they're incredibly effective for building strength, improving endurance, and toning your muscles. And there you have it, a budget-friendly guide to building your very own home gym. With a bit of creativity, resourcefulness, and a willingness to think outside the box, you can create a space where you can work up a sweat, build strength, and improve your overall health and well-being, all without breaking the bank. So what are you waiting for? It's time to roll up your sleeves, get creative, and start building the home gym of your dreams. Your body will thank you for it.